The opposition in Zimbabwe is expecting dialogue with the disputed President Emmerson Mnangagwa, but ZANU-PF, fully aware of the SADC resolution for fresh elections to be held, is shifting gears in their preparation for the elections earmarked for June 30, 2024. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. ZANU-PF says it will deploy 1,000 foot soldiers to conduct door-to-door campaigns as it seeks to win 2 constituencies in Harare Metropolitan Province. Of course, they are reporting on ZANU-PF and their quest to win 2 constituencies in Harare Province in which they are contesting against themselves. What's interesting is deployment of 1,000 foot soldiers to win this kind of an election. We know fresh elections in Zimbabwe are coming, they say in the party in June. Comrade Chiangwa gave a hint of the elections recently when he addressed it. This is today's news about ZANU-PF shifting gears to win fresh elections in Zimbabwe. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.